Students, let's move to the types of indicators. Basically, acid-base indicators are of three types: natural indicators, synthetic indicators, and olfactory indicators. Let's start with natural indicators. Indicators that are obtained from plants are known as natural indicators. Litmus, turmeric, red cabbage, etc. are the examples of natural indicators. Litmus solution is a purple color dye extracted from the lichen plant. It is the most commonly used indicator in the laboratory. In the neutral solution, it has purple color. In acidic solution, it turns red, whereas in the basic solution, it turns blue. Instead of using litmus solution as such, two types of litmus solutions are used: blue litmus solution and red litmus solution. Red litmus solution is obtained by acidifying the purple litmus extract, whereas blue litmus solution is obtained by making purple litmus extract alkaline. And sometimes instead of using litmus solution, we use litmus paper, blue litmus paper and red litmus paper in the laboratory to test whether a substance is acidic or basic. To test whether the given substance is acidic or basic, add 2-3 drops of blue litmus solution to the given substance. If the blue litmus solution changes into red color, then the given substance is acidic. For example, vinegar, lemon juice, orange juice, juice of unripe mangoes all turn blue litmus into red. Hence, they all are acidic substances. Similarly, add 2-3 drops of red litmus solution to the given substance. And if the red litmus solution changes into blue color, then the given substance is basic. And as we know that the substances which change red litmus solution into blue color are basic. For example, baking soda solution, washing soda solution, bitter gourd extract, neem extract all turn red litmus solution into blue. Hence, they are all basic substances. Turmeric used in the kitchen can also be used to test a basic solution. The basic substances turn yellow turmeric into brown color. For example, while eating food, if curry falls on the white clothes, a yellow stain is produced on the clothes. When we apply soap solution on the cloth, the yellow stain becomes reddish brown because soap solution is basic in nature. On washing with excess of water, it turns yellow again because soap is washed away. Hence, we can say that turmeric is also used to test whether the given substance is acidic or basic. And another natural indicator used to determine whether a substance is acidic or basic is China rose. When warm water added to China rose petals, then the solution obtained is used as a natural indicator. When a solution of China rose is used with a basic solution, it changes its color to green, which shows that the given compound is basic in nature. When a China rose solution is added to the acidic solution, then it changes its color to bright pink or magenta color. Or we can say that when China rose solution is added to the given substance and if it gives bright pink or magenta color, then it shows that the given substance is acidic. Now let's talk about one more natural indicator, that is red cabbage. Red cabbage contains a water-soluble pigment called anthocyanin that changes color when it is mixed with acid or a base. And students, when a hot water is added to chopped leaves of red cabbage, then we obtain the red cabbage extract, which is used to test the given substance is acidic or basic. And students, if the red color changes to the green, then we can say that the given substance is basic in nature. And if the color of red cabbage extract remains same, or we can say it remains red, then we can say that the given substance is acidic in nature.